Okay, welcome back. So now you've got an amazing maze. The mouse does his business. The taco wins the game for you. What we want now is everything that we've really done is have um, a user-controlled item. So like this mouse or everything we've written has been controlled by the user. What we want to do is we want to hop into this cat's brain. This cat is going to be the enemy, but we want the computer to play the enemy. So we're going to give this cat some artificial intelligence. So here we go. Let's rig up this cat. First of all, I always like to say when the game starts, I like to grab this motion and say go to the spot where you are right now. Like it'll autofill that, so he'll go to this spot. And I'm going to say point down. So that's what he's doing right now, but I want, if the game stops and restarts, I want him to hop back to that. Now, here's what we're going to say. When we get to this point, we're going to say he needs to always, so pause me if you need to catch up, pause the video and get that going. Basically, he's always going to move 10 steps. Now, if we stop and run it like this, he just keeps going in the same direction forever, right? If I rerun it, he goes back to that top and just walks down. Now, I'm going to show you something that's really interesting. In your motion, you have this thing right here. We've never used this block. If you're on the edge, bounce. So basically, if you touch the edge of the screen, turn around. So watch how cool this is. Now he is a pretty formidable enemy, and he'll just sit there and do that all day. Now he's not very smart, right? He's not going to chase down the cat or chase down the mouse, but he will kind of get in the way. Now at this moment, he's kind of a lame enemy because he doesn't do anything. Really lame. Now, I'm just going to give you some ideas we have done now. Pause me if you need to get that going. But that if on edge bounce makes a great artificial intelligence enemy. Not a very smart artificial intelligence enemy. Now, what I'm going to say is when we have a collision here, something should happen. Now, last class you did some things where you hopped to a loser screen and you were like, oh, the game is over and you lost. What you could do today is, you could do that as well, but I'm just going to give you a little more idea, a little inspiration. I'm going to hop back over to the mouse's brain, and you notice the mouse reacts when he's touching the taco, something happens. Right? Now, let's do this. If I want him to react to the cat, I'm going to do the same type of thing. Whoops, except for, yes, that's exactly what I want. I want to say that, and then I want to wait until you're touching the cat. And then what would be really cool is if you went, if that teleported you back to the beginning where you started, so you have to like try again. So like touching the cat kind of resets you in the game. So I could say I want in the brain of the cat, and I'm just going to copy this. He started out at negative 186.45. Now, pause me if you need to build that. Boom. Look how cool that was. Look how cool that was. Now, I got some bad news. When we run this, it waited until I touched the cat to teleport, but then that only happened one time because it said wait until you touch the cat, teleport, and then there was nothing left to do in this code block. Waited, teleported, the end. So that doesn't make a very cool ongoing game. What we want is this to them always be watching out for the cat. So if we're always going to watch out for that cat, I'm going to say wait, teleport, wait, teleport, wait, teleport over and over and over again. And this way, boop, I'm always waiting till I touch the cat to teleport. Whoops. How did I get stuck in the wall? Oh, that was kind of weird. Bug. And voila. Now you've got an awesome game. Some ideas about computer-controlled enemies, some maybe ideas about how to end a game or change how you react to your enemies. Now you're ready to make sure you hit the share button right here. Make sure you hit share, copy this, and paste it over, and you'll be ready to turn it in.